Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do this review on Happy Magical Birthday. So, my birthday is November, and y'all know that the year before last I did a birthday live, and I supposed to did a birthday live in 2020, but I didn't. So, I'm gonna do a birthday live in 2021, which will be November. So I'm just showing y'all this early. Anybody that know me know I love unicorns, I love mermaids, I love all the mythical creatures that they say is mythical, which I believe is not. This company sending me this magical birthday thing. I mean, it's for kids, but guess what? We all are still big kids. I'll do this box opening. So the link for this will be in the description box. Whatever. So let me take this plastic off. Hold on, y'all. Let me plastic kind of cut that. Take this plastic off. So we got the plastic off. So let's see all the things that's inside. Okay. Okay, so right here, it's some tape. Alright, so let's open up this magical birthday. It has over 185 pieces in it. So this is going to be cool, y'all. Y'all get to see this new other stuff in my life. Alright, this just something wrong with product. You just contact them and you get a full refund. Simply post a photo of how you are using the Partyville Unicorn Party Supply Set, your Instagram, Facebook profile, and we will issue you a full refund. And this will tell you, like, if you don't want it. So the first thing is a little thing to go in my head. And y'all know how animated I am. How everybody doing? Put a comment in. Don't forget to put a beautiful comment. I haven't forgot that I'm going to start on some of the comments like I did in some of my videos. So this is dope. I could really rock this. Because y'all remember I had my other birthday hat on. So I still got that birthday hat. So this is going to be cool to put on. Like I say, this is, you can use this. This is a little for little girls, but you can use it for grown people. Because I'm going to have it on my birthday live coming up in a couple of months. And this is, I'm thinking, a cake topper. So I got to get me a cake this year. And I know the other year I had cupcakes. So I'll put that video in the link, that live that we did in the link up here and in the link. So y'all see this? It got eyelashes. Y'all see the eyelashes right here? So I'm going to put that on the cake. All right. The next thing is we got some plates. This is so dope. I got to make me some unicorn earrings. I got some brown unicorn earrings, but I got to make me some unicorn earrings for my birthday, y'all. November 21st. And then we got a bigger, this so dope, right? Look at there. Unicorn. Y'all ever seen the movie The Last Unicorn? That was one of my favorite movies. It was kind of scary a little bit. And then these are cute. Happy Magical Birthday. Wow. Those are cute. These napkins. This got a lot of stuff in it. And then we got the rainbow cups. Spark like a rainbow. We got some cups. So my birthday gonna be dope. This live coming up. Maybe I'll invite my sister to it. Y'all remember Unity and Buggy video? I put that up here so y'all can see that one. And then we got some spoons and some forks. And then they got little unicorns on them. Wow. Wow, look at here, y'all. We got balloons. And we got, look. And then they got little stuff in it. Look at them. This is so fly. I can't wait to do my birthday. I can add more stuff onto it. Look at it. Unicorn Oh, y'all, we gonna have a good time. I'm gonna make my face up like a unicorn with sparkles and find me a cute little... It's gonna be winter, but I don't go by... I mean, I respect all seasons, but I don't dress according. I'm in Florida. And this is the pump. So I don't have to worry about blowing these balloons up. I got a pump. That's so dope. Okay. And then it got the little birthday girl ribbon. Look at there. A lot of stuff in here, y'all. Then we got the unicorn straws. Wow. Some ideas. Some craft ideas, y'all. Let's see what this is. It's probably, let's see. What is this? Let me see. Oh, these are big balloons. Oh. What is, this is a big unicorn balloon, y'all. Look at it. And I got the pump, y'all. Please know if y'all can really see it. But it's a big unicorn balloon. Oh, yeah. We're going to have a good time. Okay. Put it back up neat because we still got a couple of months. Okay. It's a little straw in here. And then these like some little, you know, the little tassel things. You know, you put up. So it's going to look really nice, y'all. And what are these? I think these are boxes. Yeah, these are boxes. Little gift boxes. Inshallah, I can send y'all a little gift. When we do the giveaways, I can put the gift inside here. Because y'all know I do giveaways on my birthday. And then we got some more spoons and forks. This are knives. These are knives. And this looks like a tape. Is this a tablecloth? This looks like the tablecloth. What is this? Oh, more little unicorn, you know, just little unicorn decorations. And then this say, have a magical birthday. So cool. All right, y'all, I'm going to put the link in the description box if y'all want to purchase this. And yeah, I'll be back with some more videos. But I just had to show y'all this unboxing. So this keeps me excited about turning 47. Dang, that's dope, man. I'm almost half a century. We still children under the universe, y'all. We still children. So all this stuff, and I know it's a reasonable price. I think it's like $20-something for all this stuff. So I put the link in the description box. And if y'all want to purchase this, y'all can purchase this whole birthday. Happy magical birthday. Over 158 pieces. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.